Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI.
Are you looking for some bright and modern pathway lights to add a little light to your life? Well, look no further than these beautiful solar pathway lights from Enchanted Spaces. I think what I love most about these lights is how bright they are. I have to admit that the ones I replaced were just not holding up to the task. I have kind of a rocky pathway to my house, and that can be quite a tripping hazard for my family and friends, but the bright light that these offer have prevented us from trips and falls while walking to our car or to the house on dark nights. I love the modern design, and the solar power plate on top is strong enough to charge even on cloudy days or on the shade of our big oak tree that we have in the yard. I love the durability of these lights. You can tell as soon as you take them out of the box that they're made from a very strong material and they're going to last for years despite what the weather throws at them. They came with everything you need to easily put them together and stick them in the ground. I have kind of a rocky soil and it usually takes a lot and gives me a lot of trouble with landscaping, but these went into the ground very easily and they're very nice and stable. So if you are looking for some beautiful pathway lights to light up your dark nights and add a little beauty to your garden during the day, then you have found them in these beautiful pathway lights by Enchanted Spaces.
And that's my point of view.